Hi, today we're going to be comparing the NWS Quattro Pliers versus the NWS Cobra Pliers. We have two different sizes, the 12-inch and the 10-inch. I'm going to show you most of the differences on the 12-inch, that way you can see it a little bit better as it being bigger. First, we'll start off with the side view. Then the back view. If you notice on the NWS, it's a lot thicker metal here versus the NWS. The other side view. With the NWS, you have much more aggressive and larger teeth here versus the NWS. Front view, and also if you notice, this is much thicker than the NWS. Also, if you look at the cushion grip, the NWS has a much longer cushion grip than the NWS. When you grab it on the NWS here, you don't really get a cushion grip here. You only get it pretty much at the lower level. On the NWS, you get it on all areas. Also, when we're looking at the height, the NWS is about 5/8 taller than the NWS, so that'll give you just a little bit more leverage. As far as feel and weight, they both feel very, very similar. The NWS does feel more well balanced. They are both made out of chrome vanadium steel. The NWS do have a slightly bigger opening of the jaw. It's not by very much. It's just probably about 1/8 of an inch. Now with the NWS, I've noticed that they do feel a lot more loose. They have a lot of play. You could have this go side to side quite a bit. Same with the smaller versions. You can actually hear it just moving. Quite a bit of play. You don't have that with the NWS. Virtually no play, just slightly. Same with the smaller versions, very tight. Now we're going to look at the teeth. The NWS does have aggressive teeth, but we do notice that it only has teeth in this area and in this area, not here and not here. Now with the NWS, the teeth are much more aggressive. And if you notice, there's teeth here and here. Same with the other side. Here and here. And this set of teeth, the direction is going back, while this set is going forward. Same with the top. And that's going to give you ultimate grip. Also, with the NWS, to adjust it, you do have to press the button to open and close. With the NWS, you just have to press the button to open it, and it's auto closing. It auto adjusts to the size needed to grab. That's actually very handy if you are in a tight spot where you can't really reach the button. That comes in handy. Also, one thing on the NWS, if you come close, you can see two slots, one here and one here. That's actually designed to hold a nail. If you're in a tight spot and you can't hold the nail and hammer at the same time, this will help you out to start the nail. Also, now I'm going to demonstrate when you're grabbing onto a bolt or a nut. Now, if you notice with the Knipex, you only have two areas that are gripping the bolt. The top here, which is parallel with the bolt, and the bottom here. If you look, there's a very large gap here, so that's not even making any contact with the bolt. So basically, two contact areas. With the NWS, if you notice, you have contact here, and also here. So you're actually getting 3 points, which is going to give you better grip. Also, with the aggressive teeth here, another thing that works out really good, if you do have a strip bolt and you need to get it out, this will give you the ultimate grip in doing that. Now, with the NWS being a lot thicker metal, you do have a lot less flex as well. And I'll demonstrate that. We're going to go ahead and grab this piece of pipe here, solid pipe, and show you the grip and the flex on each one. Now, the grip on both of them is extremely well, but you notice with this, there's going to be a lot more flex with the Knipex versus the NWS. So we'll start with the Knipex first. If you look right here, you do see a lot of flex. With the NWS, you don't get that. And if you notice here, you're getting a bite here, and also here. So you're going to have no slippage whatsoever. So that concludes our comparison, and overall, in my opinion, the NWS is a better tool than the Knipex. And like I said before, overall, they're all, good tools. You can't go wrong, but you're going to get a lot more benefits with the NWS versus the Knipex. Thanks.